Hi there, my name is Damien Haylor and I'm MD of POP, and I want to show you a quick example of an interactive sales tool we built for GCP Applied Technology, who are a specialist manufacturer of construction materials. So the challenge for GCP is they talk to a diverse range of customers, all with different requirements and challenges, and they needed to be able to access information in case studies instantly and quickly, and make their complex mix of products and solutions easy and simple for the customer to understand. Firstly, we created a visual of a typical environment that a customer would be familiar with to help put into context exactly where GCP's expertise lies. So this section of the presentation is about waterproofing requirements. So we have different building types that represent the different waterproofing systems and requirements on a construction site. And with a tap, you can start to drill down into more detailed content, see how the actual construction materials are put together and how they fit into the construction process using these extruded shots which can expand and contract. And we can drill down as deep as the customer needs to go by bringing up specifics about the products and their solutions. And the benefit of this approach is that it's a much more consultative way of dealing with customers and allows them to steer the conversation and get to the information that's most important for them. And the next day, you'll know when you're talking to another customer with completely different requirements and challenges that you can access all of the information that's specific and important for them. So thank you very much, and if you have any questions, please get in touch. Thank you.